Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use CoinRabbit for a long-term holding strategy. CoinRabbit is a versatile crypto platform that allows users to borrow, lend, and earn interest on digital assets. Unlike regular exchanges, CoinRabbit emphasizes flexibility and security, making it ideal for the longer-term investors who want to grow their crypto holdings without selling them. It supports over 350 cryptocurrencies. In order to use CoinRabbit for long-term holding, open any of the browser you prefer. In the top, type down coinrabbit.io and enter it. Over here, what you can do is select to this My Wallet in the top right and make sure to deposit and secure your crypto. Start by storing your long-term assets. So in order to do that, go to the wallet in the left-hand side over here and simply go to this top up. You can top up in order to deposit as well. You can choose your ETH balance, crypto balance and select the amount and go to this next to proceed over here as well. And you can also borrow stablecoins against your holding. You can go to this loan over here and you can borrow it. You can select a collateral loan and you can proceed to it as well. And from that, you can earn the passive income deposit. And using CoinRabbit for long-term holdings allows you to unlock liquidity, earn passive income, and maintain with a strong security posture. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.